Hello folks, how you going? Well, I've literally received 1 or 2 emails from people about my JJRC H54W. People are wondering how long does it fly for and what features are in its flight. So it's not too windy today. As we all know, these little pocket drones don't like the wind, so we're going to take it out and we're going to see how long it flies for. My previous video, you'll see me doing a comparo with the time to see how long the shadow lasts for. This one I would imagine is going to be in the same track, around the 6-7 minutes, so one way to find out. Let's go hit the sky. That'll fly as well, and try and get the return to home feature working on it, which up to date I haven't been able to do. So yeah, I might give that a whirl, and also have a crack at the a voice command option as well. So yeah, stay tuned for that as well. But first, we're going to hit the pocket drone. So here we go. Fold the legs out. I just charged these batteries up. Yeah, literally 5 minutes ago. So I've only flown this drone once, so this is going to be a pretty accurate test on the battery lifespan of this drone to see how it goes. So I'm going to hit connect, and we are connected. Alright, okay, so let's put him out here and get him airborne and start the clock. First of all, before we do that, we need to make sure that we're on gyro mode for the mobile device. Excellent. I'm going to stick it on 60%. Okay, and I believe this drone also has voice command, so forward and reverse, or forward and back, or something like that. So you can say takeoff, landing, forward, left, right, forward, backward. Okay, let's give takeoff a crack, shall we? Takeoff. Oh, have a look at that. Forward, backward, backward, landing, land, stop, backward, hey, that worked for a minute. That was pretty cool. So I've just had to hit the gyro mode to bring it back again. Forward we go, easy on there, little fella. Okay, let's take him out in the open here, above the oval, in case we have some problems. A cool little drone. Gyro works really well. You can see we're going all over the place here. Let's take it out in the open here and try some active flying. Okay. So to do that, okay, so I've just turned the. So if I draw a circle, what I'm thinking is going to happen is it's going to fly in a circle. Then again, maybe not. Okay, let's go up. It seems to be landing for some reason. We don't want to do that. So let's bring it back here.